Hey my love stones, welcome back to my channel. Today y'all, look at these edges. We are doing a color retouch on these edges because yes, these edges were very golden, so we wanted to go in and darken these edges up a little bit. Of course, we all know that whenever you're flat ironing your edges, cleaning your edges up, that the color of the dye is going to fade eventually. So today in this video, I am going to be showing you how to do a color retouch on just the edges so that whenever you go back to recurl your edges, they are looking nice and fresh as they did before. For those who haven't already, I need you to smash that subscribe button. I need you to like and to share this video. Those who already subscribed, my love stones, thank you so much for your love and your support. So let's get into it. So you definitely want to make sure that you are wearing gloves when applying color. You want to go in and make sure that the edges is fully saturated with the dye so that the dye could take very well. See, as you see in the video, we make sure it's very saturated right here. Okay, this is the final look of the color retouch on the edges. Turned out very nice.